Hi, and welcome to Voice with Julia and day 24 of our Marchesi Vocal Challenge. Today, we're going to be looking at another inversion pair, exercises 33 and 34, and these are arpeggiated scales. So let's get ready.
Voice with Julia, change your voice, change your life.
Again, just like all this scale work that we're doing, you really want to make sure that as we get into the more intricate scales, that you are not involving the muscles and the movement of the tongue, the jaw, any of the big structures. Those need to stay constant so that the little muscles can really find that tuning. So take this slow, and there is a reason to do that. It's so that you can make sure the big structures are not moving, and then the little muscles get used to tuning to the correct frequency and the motion, and then slowly and slowly you can get faster and faster, but don't put the cart ahead of the horse here. Okay, so exercise number 33. We've got this nice lilting pattern alternating between 8th and a couple 16th notes. Oh, now you can speed that up. Oh, but you know what? I didn't like my tuning on that one. So let's do that again. Let's speed it up, but with the tension on those thirds. Oh, you hear that? Oh, don't let any pitch slide. Make sure it's really all in tune. So if you can't get it going fast, take it going slow. Oh, and I'd rather go slow and get those pitches. Oh, oh, oh. Good. Okay, now let's move on to exercise 34, which is the inversion of that one. So, right? Okay. So again, keeping everything constant. And I am going slow to attend to my tuning because a lot of times people want to go, but that's not quite precise. Then you can speed it up.